Did you know that one simple habit can help you heal from heartbreak faster than almost anything else? It doesn't cost a dime. You can do it anywhere, and it only takes a pen and paper. When love ends, the silence it leaves behind can feel deafening. A breakup is not just the loss of a partner, it's the loss of shared dreams, routines, conversations, and sometimes even identity. Heartbreak can feel like carrying an invisible weight that refuses to let go. The tears come in waves, the mind races at night, and the heart aches in ways that words can barely describe. But what if words could be the medicine? What if one of the simplest, most accessible tools, journaling, could become a lifeline during the storm of heartbreak? Many dismiss journaling as nothing more than scribbling feelings in a notebook, something teenagers do in diaries with little locks. But research in psychology, neuroscience, and mental health proves otherwise. Journaling is a profound act of self-care, especially during heartbreak. It is a private space where your thoughts can breathe, where emotions can be released instead of bottled, and where clarity begins to emerge out of chaos. In this episode, we'll explore why journaling speeds up heartbreak recovery, drawing on science, stories, and real-life benefits. By the end, you'll understand why putting pen to paper is not just a therapeutic activity. It's a powerful healing process that can turn heartbreak into growth. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and join us as we turn heartbreak into healing. Let's dive in. 1. Journaling releases emotional pressure. Heartbreak creates an emotional storm. One moment you feel angry, the next devastated, then hopeful, then numb again. Holding all of that inside is like trying to trap a tornado in a bottle. Eventually, it explodes, through breakdowns, anxiety, or even physical illness. Journaling acts as a release valve. When you pour your emotions onto the page, you lighten the load your mind is carrying. Psychologists call this emotional offloading, the process of moving overwhelming thoughts from your brain to an external source. Instead of replaying the breakup over and over in your head, you give those thoughts a place to exist outside of you. This act alone reduces the intensity of the emotions. You might cry while writing, but afterward, you often feel calmer, clearer, and lighter. Think of journaling as talking to a friend who never interrupts, never judges, and never gets tired of listening. Journaling helps you process the story. One of the hardest parts of heartbreak is the confusion. You keep asking, what went wrong? Was it me? Was it them? Could it have been different? Your brain desperately searches for answers, but without a structured way to process the story, it circles endlessly. Journaling gives your mind the space to organize the chaos. Writing out the timeline of your relationship, the good and the bad, helps you see patterns you missed while you were emotionally involved. You begin to notice the red flags, the misalignments, and the small details that added up. This process transforms raw pain into understanding. And once you understand, you can begin to let go. Studies in expressive writing show that people who journal about traumatic or emotional events often experience faster emotional recovery because writing helps them make meaning out of the pain. 3. Journaling brings clarity about your ex. After heartbreak, it's common to romanticize the relationship. You replay the laughter, the trips, the goodnight texts, and conveniently forget the fights, the unmet needs, and the ways you were hurt. This selective memory can trap you in longing, making you believe you lost the perfect relationship. Journaling cuts through the illusion. When you write honestly about both the highs and the lows, you create a more balanced picture. For example, you might write, I miss how they made me laugh, but I also remember how unsupported I felt during tough times. This kind of clarity helps break the cycle of idealization. It allows you to grieve the loss of what was good without denying what was harmful. Over time, journaling helps you stop seeing your ex as flawless and start seeing them as human. And that shift is powerful for healing. 4. Journaling tracks your healing progress. When you're in the middle of heartbreak, it feels like the pain will never end. Every day feels the same, every night drags on, and you wonder if you'll ever feel joy again. But healing is happening, even if you don't notice it day to day. Journaling gives you proof. Looking back at entries from 2 weeks, a month, or 3 months ago reveals how far you've come. Maybe your first entries were filled with anger and grief, but later ones show signs of acceptance, self-reflection, and hope. This progress check is motivating. It reassures you that even though the journey is slow, you are healing. That encouragement can be the push you need to keep moving forward. 5. Journaling boosts self-awareness and growth. Heartbreak is not just about losing someone, it's about rediscovering yourself. Many people lose parts of their identity in relationships, shaping themselves around their partner's needs. After a breakup, journaling becomes a mirror to your soul. By writing regularly, you start to notice patterns. The kind of people you're drawn to, the mistakes you repeat, the boundaries you ignored. This awareness is invaluable. It allows you to learn from the past and grow into a stronger, wiser version of yourself. Journaling also sparks self-discovery. You might uncover passions you set aside, dreams you neglected, or values you compromised. In this way, journaling not only heals heartbreak, it helps rebuild your identity. 6. Journaling lowers stress and anxiety. The body feels heartbreak almost as much as the heart does. Sleepless nights, racing thoughts, tightness in the chest. These are not just emotional reactions, but physical ones caused by stress hormones like cortisol. Research shows that journaling can reduce cortisol levels, helping the body relax. Writing slows the racing mind, allowing you to process emotions instead of being overwhelmed by them. Some people even find journaling before bed helps them sleep better by unloading the day's worries onto the page. This stress reduction is critical because heartbreak already takes a toll on physical health. Journaling becomes not just an emotional tool, but a wellness practice that protects your body during one of life's most stressful seasons. 7. Journaling builds resilience for future love. Every heartbreak carries lessons, but unless you process those lessons, you risk repeating the same mistakes in your next relationship. Journaling helps you capture the wisdom that comes from pain. By reflecting on what you want, what you won't tolerate, and what you've learned about yourself, you prepare for healthier love in the future. You walk into your next relationship with clearer boundaries, stronger self-worth, and greater emotional maturity. In this sense, journaling doesn't just help you recover from heartbreak, it helps you evolve beyond it. How to journal during heartbreak. Practical tips. If journaling feels intimidating, remember there's no right way to do it. It's not about perfect grammar or polished writing. It's about honesty. Here are some ways to start. Free writing. Free writing is one of the most powerful tools because it gives your mind permission to spill out whatever it's holding on to. Anger, sadness, confusion, or even random thoughts. Set a timer for 10-15 minutes, put pen to paper or fingers to keyboard, and don't stop writing until the timer goes off. Don't worry about grammar, spelling, or making sense. The goal is to release the jumble of emotions and thoughts swirling in your head so they don't stay bottled up. Many people find that hidden feelings or realizations surface when they just let the words flow freely. Prompts. Sometimes, heartbreak makes it hard to know where to start. That's where prompts come in handy. They give your mind a clear starting point so you can reflect with focus. Questions like, "What do I miss most?" help you acknowledge your longing. Prompts like, "What did I learn from this relationship?" help shift your focus from just loss to personal growth. You can even write about, "What do I want my next relationship to look like?" to plant seeds of hope for the future. Prompts turn an overwhelming blank page into a guided pathway for self-discovery. Letters. Writing letters is a therapeutic way to say the things you may never get to say out loud. These letters are not meant to be sent. They're for your healing only. You can write to your ex about your hurt, your gratitude, or even your anger. You can also write a letter to yourself, offering comfort and reassurance. Some people even write letters to the future version of themselves, imagining what life will look like once they've healed. This exercise helps release emotions that otherwise stay trapped, giving you a sense of closure without needing the other person's response. Gratitude journaling. In Heartbreak, it's easy for your mind to get stuck on what you've lost. Gratitude journaling gently shifts your attention toward what you still have. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as small as a friend checked in, the sun felt warm today, or I had the energy to make myself dinner. Over time, these little reminders help retrain your brain to see the good that still exists, even when pain is heavy. Gratitude doesn't erase heartbreak, but it balances it with hope and perspective. Progress check-ins. Healing often feels slow because progress happens in small steps. That's why weekly check-ins are so valuable. At the end of each week, take a few minutes to reflect. How did I feel compared to last week? What small wins did I notice? Maybe you slept better, cried less, or had one good laugh with a friend. Write it down. When you look back weeks or months later, you'll see clear evidence of your growth, proof that the pain really does soften over time. These check-ins create a roadmap of your healing journey. There's no one right way to journal. The act of showing up for yourself with honesty, even just for 5 minutes a day, is what makes the difference. Journaling during heartbreak isn't about writing beautifully, it's about writing truthfully. Heartbreak feels like a wound that time alone can heal. But journaling is proof that you don't have to wait passively. You can actively participate in your healing. Each word you write is a step toward clarity. Each page is a release of pain. And each journal entry is evidence that you're moving forward, even when it feels like you're standing still. With journaling, you're not just surviving heartbreak, you're transforming through it. You're building resilience, rediscovering yourself, and preparing your heart for love that is wiser, deeper, and stronger. So grab a notebook, open a blank page, and let your pen carry what your heart can't hold alone. Because sometimes, the fastest way to heal a broken heart is simply to write it whole again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need these words today.